So guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. Welcome to the YouTube channel, guys. Now, just subscribe down below, like this video, and I'll see you in my screen. Now, the first step in this tutorial is any when you in correct way Yes, don't mind me, guys. I'm not a Yoruba tribe in Nigeria. That's why I'm finding it difficult to sing, but just go with the flow, guys. Just go with the flow. Yes, you read the girls to hear the beat. And you dance back. There you go. 1, 2, 3, dance. That's the first step, guys. So you go, you dance back like this. Go 1, 2, 3, you dance. That's the first step, guys. Let's go. And when you look when you Jesu good on you can 1, 2, 3 dance. That's it, guys. After that, the next step is you do 1, 2, 3, you dance. You do 1, 2. I sing, guys. You do 1, 2. That's the next step. First step from the start again. 5, 6, 7, 8. And came when you look me password. You Jesu 1, 2, 3, go. Get it, then we go. Dance back. 1, 2, 3, dance. 1, 2. I sing, guys. So for that step, the next step to do that you bounce 1, 2. What you're gonna do is throw your leg like this. You pain, sleep. I think that's throw your leg, sleep. So let's go. Every time we start. 5, 6, 7, 8. And carry where you look over where you, oh my gosh, you go. Sing on the fast on to the dance, Jesu, go and tell me the dance. Back. 1, 2, 3, dance. 1, 2, throw your leg, sleep. That's it, guys. Sleep. Then once I've done that, you sleep. The next thing to do is to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Count me, guys. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Start. 5, 6, 7, 8. And can when you Jesu. 5, 6, 7, go. 1. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance. 1, 2, 3. Dance. 1, 2. Throw your legs, sleep. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I thought that's one of my tutorials in case I find it difficult. Let's check out my tutorials, guys. So let's go. So after you do 1, 2, 3, 4, the next thing to do is you do 1, 2, 3, kick, open. So it's 1, 2, 3, kick, open. Follow me, guys. So it's 1, 2, 3, kick, open. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, kick, open. 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 Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Back. 1, 2, 3, dance. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, kick, open. Listen, guys. It's 1, 2, 3, kick, open. Once you're able to do that one, instead of this, you pack your load, and go up. Pack your load and go up. What's it do, guys? Is you pack your load and go up. Twice. 1, 2. 1, 2, up, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go for the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. And you came when you look correct. Well, me. Let's move on to the dance. Everybody. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Back, back, back. 1, 2, 3, once. 1, 2. Sorry guys, there are people around here looking at me. Let's go. Let's do this one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 1, 2, 1. Sleep. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back, back. 2, 3. Now, after that down, guys, let's do this. You crawl, do the crisscross. Crisscross. 1, 2. You crisscross. 1, 2. Crisscross. 1, 2. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. From the start. 1, 2, 3, go. Eat. Dance. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Back, back. 1, 2. 1, 2. 3. I like this step. I just cut the piece like this. So it's 1. After that, guys, you do dance. 1, 2, 1, 2, back, back, back. Let's go. So guys, this video is, I think it's getting long. But let's go, let's go. So the next thing to do, after you do this one. 1, 2. Let's do you dance again. You dance, you bounce, you 1, 2. 1, 2. So it's you dance 1, 2. Then you 1, 2. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. You bounce, go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Let's go together. 5, 6, 7, 8. You bounce, go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. For that, you do 1, 2, 3. Once you are facing the front, you can do 1, 2. And you do. That's the last step, guys. That is the last step. So let's go. From the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Back, back, back. 1, 2, 3. Go. 1, 2. Crease. Sleep. 1, 2, 3. Go. 1, 2, 3. Crease. Go. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. That is it, guys. One time. Slow mo this time. Slow mo. So you guys have to follow me in slow mo. 5, 6, 7, 8 in slow mo, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, back, back, back. 1, 2, 3. Bounce. 1, 2. Open. Sleep. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Open. Go. 1, 2. You go like this. 1, 1, 2. Dance. Go. 1, 2. 1, 2. Back, back, back. 1, 2, 3. Go. 1, 2. 1, 2. So that's it, guys. That's the dance tutorial for this song, this trending Christian song. Now if you like this video, kindly subscribe down below. Like this video, just subscribe, like, comment guys what you think, and watch 2 videos over here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Watch my video guys, watch my video, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.